So let's start na. Hi everyone, good morning. So today is March 13, 2025. It's Thursday, and as you remember guys, matagal na akong hindi gumawa ng vlog. Hoy, bakit dito ka ba para magawa ng vlog? Wala ka naman talagang viewers. Wala kang paki. Bale, ayan. So, eto. I'm going to laundry. 3 loads lang siguro kasi 1 load, 2 loads, then 3 yung nasa labas. Ayan. This is the detergent that we're gonna use. Yeah. And it's super bango guys. Mas mabango pa siya sa mga branded, and this is the Dell that I recommend because it's very nice and it's very mabango. Napakabango niya guys, and that's it guys. So, samahan niya akong mag-load and paano ko siya sa bunganga lahat ng mga damit. Uy, hindi mga away ng person. So, inopen ko siya guys kasi napakain. Wait lang. Grabe, nagtagatak yung pawis ko, ve. Talaga. So, ayan. It's kinda messy. Wait, i-flip ko yung cam. Look, ayan yung towel. Ayan. But not so messy naman. Wala namang messy. Ito lang talaga. Ayan, tablets, phone. And there, you need to fix lang yan. I need to put water. So let's put the detergent na. Here, and also the fabric. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. Here. So I need to get the Zandrox Sticolor. So I need to put something there so that here, then we put it here, there, and we need to lock. So ayun, need nating i-set ng temperature into 40 tapos 38 minutes, and after that, ayan, so okay na siya, and ayan na siya, nalagay ko na yung mga clothes, and isa-start na natin pag nag-wash na siya, and also makikita rin dyan yung mag-blink din yung door, i-close na. Yeah, and that's it. This is the routine. Charot. So ayan, maglalaban na ako guys. That's